What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat Not Installed error that prevents certain games from launching. Easy Anti-Cheat is a security tool used by many popular games to prevent cheating, and if it's missing or not installed correctly, your game won't run. Let's take Fortnite as an example, one of the most popular games worldwide that relies on EAC. However, this fix will also work for any other game that uses Easy Anti-Cheat. So if you're having issues with another game, follow along. First, you need to locate your game's installation folder. If you didn't choose a custom location during installation, it will be in the default directory. For Fortnite, go to your C drive, then Program Files, Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64. If you're fixing another game, follow a similar path to find the game's installation files. Once inside the Win64 folder, look for the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup file. This is the file responsible for installing and repairing EAC. To ensure the fix applies correctly, right-click on the setup file and select Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut in the same folder. Now, right-click the newly created shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, you need to modify the file path. At the very end of the line, after the closing quotation marks, add a space and type repair. This command will tell the Easy Anti-Cheat service to repair itself when executed. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Next, double-click the shortcut you just modified. This will launch the Easy Anti-Cheat setup with the repair command. Let it complete the process and then relaunch your game. If you're trying to play Fortnite or any other game that uses EAC, it should now launch without any issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.